Hello, subscribers and new viewers. For new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like if you like it. In this topic, I will show you that this LSP text increment will work in ProgeCAD. Kudos to BJoy. I really admire your talent, your skills working on this. Yeah, thank you. I'll show you how this text increment work. However, when I use this let's go back here. Your text format should be currently is giving us an aerial, a standard as an aerial for the ProgeCAD. 0 in height. I'll change this one to 2.5 for a metric format. Usually this text increment LSP by BJoy, there is a table that shows in the AutoCAD where I previously opened this one in 2016. But here I can't find any table. How come? I don't know. The good thing about the table, you can increment the prefix, the numbers, and the suffix. But here, I need to experiment more, or to dig in more answers to my questions. But let's try it. If it will work. Based on what I'm seeing right now, I think this will work. It's too small. I am trying to create a grid lines. You know what's the grid? Like, for example, for other EPC standard, not actually other EPC standard. This is a general standard, which grids shows a northing, a coordinates of the north and the coordinate of the east. Usually for A1 size, 50 meters by 50 meters will give you 1:100 scaling. That's how we do it on one of our client here in Alberta and in the United States. Creating a key plan, giving you a 50 meters by 50 meters of coordinates. Like, for example, you start at 0, 0. So 50 of east and 50 of north will be the exact. You can reference it, or you can, because you're working on the 1:1 model size, right? And where you're going to create the drawing is on the layout. Attaching it to the layout will give you 1:100 scaling, which is pretty much standard. And that follows where the match line goes to, like east of 50 goes to drawing 001, east of 100 goes to E003. So here's let's go back here, and I'm creating a text increment, but don't give me an option what's the increment. It's just giving me one additional of one for each and every copy that you make. So in Microstation, or in the actual LSP of this one, when you upload this one in AutoCAD 2016, what I'm using during the normal hours, it will give you an option to how many, what number do you want to start, and what number should be the increments. But here it's not giving me anything, so I'll dig more. I'll dig up more answers to our question. Right now, please don't hesitate to comment, ask questions, push button, like or dislike. It's up to you. If I don't have any answers to your questions, I'll dig up something to answer your questions. That's the reason how I learn and how we learn. Okay, please subscribe. Thank you.